Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check commits history in GitHub. This is essential when you want to track changes made to your project, see who contributed what, and understand the evolution of your codebase over time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the repository you want to check. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard where you can see all your projects and repositories. Now navigate to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the specific repository where you want to view the commit history. This will open up that repository and display all its contents, including files, folders, and various tabs for managing the project. Next, click the Commits button. This action will take you directly to the commit history page for that repository. You'll immediately see a chronological list of all commits made to this project. Each commit entry shows details like the commit message, the author's name, the date and time it was made, and a unique commit hash that identifies that specific change. This commit history is incredibly useful because it allows you to see exactly what changes were made at each point in time. You can click on any individual commit to see the specific files that were modified, added, or deleted, along with the exact lines of code that changed. If you want to filter the commit history to see contributions from specific team members, navigate to the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled All Users. Click on it to open up the options, then select View Commits for all users. This gives you a comprehensive view of everyone who has contributed to the project, making it easy to track individual contributions or identify who made specific changes. Additionally, you can adjust the time frame of the commits you're viewing. Click on All Time to open another drop-down menu. This menu provides you with a calendar picker where you can select custom date ranges, whether you want to see commits from the last week, last month, or a specific period in your project's history. This feature makes it simple to narrow down your search and focus on the exact time frame you need. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to check and filter commit history in GitHub, giving you complete visibility into your project's development timeline. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.